talk about business process improvement and how important BPI is to your business transformation. There are several things to know right up front. First, BPI is not an extra. In fact, it's the key to a successful ERP project, and it provides the structure for smart software selection and intelligent implementation. Second, experience tells us that ERP projects that achieve their goals and boost business performance start with a close look at and improvement to core business processes. So, how does Ultra do BPI? Without going into all the details of our 5-step methodology, you can think of it as a process that gives you the answers to these critical questions. Where are we now? BPI delivers a detailed analysis of your processes, your operational practices, and your technical environment. At Ultra, we call this your current state. In addition, the current state pinpoints critical areas for improvement and highlights bad, broken, or inefficient processes that must be addressed. What is possible? With the current state documented and your existing system's inefficiencies revealed, the next step is learning what today's ERP solutions can do. Most in-house teams are not up to date on the capabilities of modern ERP solutions. We assist corporations in learning about today's functionalities and start forming a vision of what can be. Where do we want to be? When you know your current state and understand the incredible capabilities offered by a modern ERP software, you can picture your future state. Know where to focus your process improvement efforts and form a vision of where your processes, operations, and entire organization can be. At Ultra, we use our BPI methodology to create a roadmap to get you from where you are today to where you want to be tomorrow. This is critical to your ERP success because you can't know where you're going if you don't know where you are. BPI ensures your business transformation journey and your ERP project go smoothly and accomplish your goals. And in the end, the benefits will be faster time to benefit, improved operational efficiency, better business performance, and greater return on your ERP investment. At Ultra Consultants, we effectively partner with companies to outline a BPI plan ensuring success with your ERP selection and implementation. For more information and additional resources on our BPI services, visit us at ultraconsultants.com.